Hi, we are doing logarithm. Log x minus 1 plus log x plus 1 is log 1 to the base 2. Okay, so let's write it down. X minus 1 plus log x plus 1 is equal to log 1 to the base 2. Now we know when the base is not given, the base is 10. We'll use the law over here, that is log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. This will turn out to be log a, ye log a, and this is log b. So log x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this will be the case is equal to log 1 to the base 2. Now this is log x minus 1 and x plus 1. What is x minus 1 into x plus 1? So let's see. This is taken the form of a minus b and a plus b. So a minus b and a plus b multiplied together gives a square minus b square. So this will become log x square minus 1 square. And we know that log 1 to any base, let it be any base, is always 0. Fine. Now this has no base, that means it is 10. Now we will convert the log into exponential form. How do we convert the log into exponential form? If it is log b to the base a is equal to y, the base remains the same. The b gets interchanged with this y. That is, log will get interchanged with its value. So it will become a raised to the power y is equal to b. So now this we have to convert into exponential form. This will become 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to x square minus 1. Because 1 square is 1. So anything raised to the power 0 is 1. We know this. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. That is x square minus 1. So x square will be, we'll take minus 1 to the other side. It will become 1 plus 1. So x square will become 2. So what will be x? We have to remove the square root. That means we have to square. We have to remove this square. That means we have to square root both the sides. So x square को जब square root करेंगे, then it is x. Fine. So this, okay, I'll show you square root this side. This will become root 2 plus minus root 2. X का value has become plus minus root 2. Now what we have to take, plus minus root 2, plus root 2 or minus root 2 or both. That depends on my log. What was my log? Let's take this log x minus 1. If x is plus root 2, then log x minus 1 will become log root 2 minus 1. And root 2 is 1.4. So this will become, log will be a positive number. Fine. Now if x is equal to minus root 2, then log x plus 1. Sorry, let's take it with minus only. X minus, you can take it with any of it, you will get the answer. Log x minus 1, that will become log root 2 minus 1 will become a negative value of log you will get. So negative log is not defined. What we can write? As negative log is not defined, therefore x is equal to minus 2 is not valid. What is valid? X is equal to, therefore x is equal to plus root 2. Minus 2 is not valid. Some places minus 2 can also be valid. So we will have to check this, that which value of x will be valid and which value will be valid, in which the log, we will put the value of x and the log has to be positive. If the log is negative, that means that value of x is not valid.